Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today's unboxing is yet another Class 43 HST pack, and this is the Hornby R3478 in first Great Western livery. So we'll have a look at this. And instructions again, and we have the power card 43070, and this is another named one, which is the Corps of Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers. Although a few years old now, it's still got the more modern finishing on the top, and it's got fans in there as well. And again, it's got the decent weight as well, which is just as well, because I've got quite a few coaches to go with this one, including sleeper cars as well, if I want to run it like that. And again, that's a nice solid livery. That's a nice blue colour. And then we have family car, which is 43036. And still modern enough to have the opening doors on it as well. So that's a quick look at that, and stay tuned because there's plenty more to come. See you soon. Thank you.